easy.
We need a camera, man. Camera. Action. What are you doing? Dipping?
Dipping, whatever this shit.
Oh, this is the second time. Second time. Got one. Damn, Alex. How you liking it?
I love it. Sorry, guys. So we came to the end. You just seen how I installed it. It was too late. I ain't rewinding. I'm on my final boats.
It's a big wing.
Watch.
It's a decent wing. Decent height.
At least I fit, you feel me? It's not out. Not too out.
No. Look at this. Look at this fitment. Look at this fitment. It's crazy.
That's over eyes.
It's not one of those like you know one of those Camrys from New York. They got one of those like small little spoiler.
Here we go.
That's it.
Thread lock on everything.
Show them,
Exhaust,
show them.
wings, everything. I don't use this, but this is what they had. I use the red one. I don't want that bitch coming out.
Go.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Nah, so I got my wing on. See? It looks nice. I know a lot of you people gonna go crazy with that wrench on top of the paint, but fuck it. It's not your cause, man. And it really looks nice. I'm trying to match with my boy Freddie. But hopefully, with those little clips, you learn something. And you could do it yourself. Easy peasy.
Instead of going out to other people
Exactly. They're gonna
spending
charge you what?